Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Study Nepal. After a long time I am back with a video. Here today I am going to explain about the flip-flop circuit, which is mostly used in decision making devices or electronics components, which you can make in your own house also. And flip-flop circuit is very interesting circuit where our LEDs used to glow alternatively, glowing off and on is like a decision making. So such kind of circuit today I am going to make, and model here I have made prepared. As you can see, this is the model of flip-flop circuit where there is two LED and a battery is here, and the LED is glowing alternatively by using the circuit. So what is there in the circuit, which component is used, and how it works, that all I am going to explain today. So watch this video up to last so that you will be clear how to make such flip-flop circuit in home in such Dasai and Tiyar time, so that you can make a flip-flop or you can make a decorative light in your own house yourself. So without delay, let's start this video. So before explaining the circuit, at first I am going to tell what components are used to make this circuit. So at first there are two transistors, that is NPN transistor named called BC547. You can easily get in a market or any radio or TV shop. And including that I have 4 resistor, 2 resistor for LED protection and 2 resistor for the capacitor. And I have 2 capacitor that is also easily available in a TV or radio shop or in normally in electronic shop. And the value of this capacitor is 100 microfarad, and including I have 2 bulb with different color, one is a blue and one is a red. So now I am going to show you the circuit diagram for the connection of this all component together to make a flip-flop. Yes, this is the circuit diagram of flip-flop circuit. Here a 9 volt battery is connected to the both terminal, and this one is the positive terminal and this one is the negative terminal. And we have here 2 resistor, that is a value 10k ohm, and also we have to connect a resistor here to protect the LED, and the value will be 1 kilo ohm. Same we have to do for the next LED also. We have to connect a resistor here and the value will be 1 kilo ohm to protect the LED from damage. Now the all terminals of the resistor you have to connect to the positive terminal. Now let's go to the first LED. The first LED will be here in the color of blue, and the next LED is in the color of red. So the LED is connected to the positive terminal and the negative terminal of the LED is connected to the capacitor, and the value of this capacitor is 100 microfarad. Same as here, the value of this capacitor is also 100 microfarad, and the capacitor is connected to the next resistor which has value 10 kilo ohm, and same is happens in the next side also, because this is same alike both side. Here also the red LED is connected to the capacitor, and the terminal when I explain, and then the terminal is this one is negative terminal and this one is positive terminal. Here also this one is negative terminal and this one is positive terminal. Likewise the second capacitor is also connected to 10 kilo ohm resistor in the positive terminal, and then after both the capacitor terminal negative terminal is connected to the transistor. This is the name BC547 transistor. The upside one that is called collector, and downside one that is called emitter, and the middle one that is called base, like same here. And this is called collector of the transistor, downside is emitter, and this one is the base B. Is here the negative terminal coming from the LED is connected to the transistor in the collector, and the emitter is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. And same like such, the negative terminal of the transistor that is called emitter is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and the portion coming from outside that is connected to the collector. As you can see here, the positive terminal of the capacitor goes connected to the base of the next transistor, and same like the first transistor's base is connected to the positive terminal of the next capacitor. So by following this all and by giving 9 volt power to the circuit, the flip-flop started. At first the blue LED glow, after a while then the red LED will glow and blue will stop, and will be vice versa. So after joining that all circuit as mentioned in the video, I have connected those all in a PCB board, and this is the connection I have done. So after completion of connection, now I am going to give power supply of 9 volt battery. So I have a battery here. Now I am going to connect the battery with the connector, and let's see how the flip-flop works here. So as you can see, the LED is doing flip-flop here. How is today's video? If you really love this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, and obviously like and share this video. In the next time with our next project, next special science project, I'll be back. Till that time, have a nice day. Bye bye.